Look at this beautiful morning, guys. The fog just lifted, and so did the Mavic. Hey! So yeah, we've been up for a while, but you actually couldn't even see the river. The fog was right up to the trees here. And it's supposed to be crappy weather all week, so we decided, you know, it's time. We should get it done. We should jump a car. And because it's so muddy out, we've decided to get up super early and you know, kind of beat the sun. Well, the sun's still up, but there's still frost on the ground, so the top layer of mud hopefully is frozen solid and we can jump this car. So first we're gonna do a fire video, obviously, and then the next video will be a jumper. So Grayson's just getting some shots here. Hopefully he doesn't crash the Mavic into the house. He nicked a tree the other day, but he got some new blades. So I don't know where he is flying around out there, but I just got the truck warming up. We'll throw the potato gun in the back. We'll show him how we drive through fire. And then, yeah, hopefully we can get her jumped. And then I'll probably take one of the vehicles back to the scrapyard later. It's supposed to rain or snow later, but like if you can see the sky right now, there's not a cloud in the sky. So I'm hoping it stays like this all day, because that would be just prime time perfect. But yeah, I want to take the car back there. We can do a video there, and then I want to get these exotic car videos done too. So I'm trying to get a hold of the guy. He said he's kind of busy today, but maybe later in the evening we can rip up some videos before wing night. So anywho, let's head down the track, get her signed up here. Can you even see?
You can kind of see.
I just see a reflection of your face.
I probably should have I probably should have turned the brightness on my phone up a little bit.
Probably would have been a good idea.
I'm struggling right now.
Just, can you still turn your brightness up?
Yeah.
I got the perfect combo right now. Sweatpants, flip-flops, team sweatpants today. So yeah, I'm excited. I want to jump this element. The element in its element. It'll be the first car jump of the year. So woo! I can title it first car jump of the year. And the thing rips too, so I'm hoping it flies. Flying Hawaiian. All right, let's rip out. Fill her up.
Shit, yeah.
She is frosty down here this morning. Look at this. Woo! Well, we're just going to wait for Brian to get down here. We'll load up that Ford Contour, and then we'll head to the scrapyard. See what else he's got for us. See if he's got any other race cars. The old minivans, eh?
We need some more elements.
We need some more elements. The element of surprise. All right. We got the essential tools down here. We got the element. Gonna rip the element around a little bit first. Maybe do a quick burnout. Do a little bit of screwing around. Then we'll drive through some fire. Wrap that video up, and then we'll jump it. We're gonna launch her to space. The ground is quite frozen right now. Good call on my behalf. I don't usually get up and come down here this early, but you know, you gotta make an exception sometimes. So let's get her set up here and fire it up. All right, we're down the track. We're just setting up the drone on the old carpet here. The element, she's looking prime. We're gonna drive it through some fire, and then rock a few burnouts and donuts with it, wrap this up. Maybe we'll do the donuts and burnouts first and wait for the fire. Keep the fire for last. And then next video, we're gonna jump it. So, man, I really took a tear out of this thing. I actually can't believe I didn't pop the tire.
Can't believe it's such like a clean cut.
Yeah, I just sliced into it. Well, it ripped the steel bumper off the Ford 500, so I was actually quite impressed. I like these. The thing I like about this is it has an e-brake, like the old handy brake. Handy brakes are so much fun. You just go, I hate the foot ones because they're...
That was one of the biggest selling features.
Yeah. Excuse me, sir. I don't care how fast this thing goes. Does it have a handy brake?
Yeah. I want to be able to rip around corners.
Yeah. Who needs a Subaru? We can just drift this thing. All right. Look at those new blades, eh?
Oh, they're fresh, bud.
You're gonna be a normal on my YouTube channel now. 4 videos in a row.
Well,
Whew.
yeah, get to know this pretty face. Because you're not going to see it often.
Just don't crash the drone again today.
No problem.
He locked her up in the trees over there. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but that's where it ended up. All right, put this bird in the sky. Funny how weird the blades look.
Still got grass on it from the other day. Or hair or something.
All right.
Obstacle.
I'll get her going here. A couple donuts. Nice little slow donuts. Maybe we'll spin this way. I don't even know if he's filming me yet. Oh, round and round we go. Oh, round and round we go. Here we go. La 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 la. As long as I don't pop the tire. I don't want to pop the tire right before the jump. That would not be fun. I'm getting super dizzy. Alright, one more. And then it's burnout time. Burnout time. You ready for a burnout?
What's that?
You ready for a burnout?
Yeah.
You gonna use both cameras or just the drone?
I'm gonna use both.
Okay. Oh wait, I'll be patient. I got nothing to do. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm enjoying making them. Oh, another golf ball. I'm gonna save that. I'll put that in my golf ball pouch.
She lives. Oh.
Look at that smoke. Hey? Just a nice little burnout for the boys. Good thing you put new tires on this thing. We got tons of tread left. I can do a burnout for another hour. Yeah, blow some of that smoke out there with that thing. There you go. I'd say go drive through that smoke, but I don't want you near any trees again.
Oh, those trees got my name written all over them.
Come on, Grayson. Come see me. All right. Well, I guess that's really the end of the video for now. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Sorry we did 4, or I guess this will be the 3rd one, but we're gonna do the jump for tomorrow. So if you guys are watching this, check out the element jump. It will be posted tomorrow. We're gonna go jump it right now, but I'm gonna wrap this up. So thank you guys again. You guys are amazing. Thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, ding. And yeah, we post videos every day, 365 days in a row. So if you guys have any suggestions for anything, let me know in the comments as well. Follow me on Instagram. And we're gonna go rip it and hopefully go get some new cars, and hopefully the sun will come out again later. We can do some more stuff. Thank you guys again. We'll see you later.